Tonight we are eating at Cassava, a restaurant that serves brunch and dinner. From the menu, we get to choose an appetizer, main course, and dessert.
As my appetizer, I ordered the summer melon and tomato salad. The melon, fig, and strawberries were soft and sweet. This was contrasted by the crunchy coconut and sesame. The sweetness of the fruits were complemented by the vinaigrette, and overall, it was a light yet flavorful way to start the meal.
My starter is the peach and herring salad. It has some vegetables, peaches, and herring coated in a creamy buttermilk dressing. This combination was pretty good with some sweet peaches, smoky herring, and crunchy lettuce. This is the Dhakalai Kungfi, which is served on top of heirloom beans, grilled stone fruit, and grilled peppers. This dish was unique because it had soft beans, tart fruit, and tender duck legs. There are also many different flavors, such as the savory flavors from the duck and also the sweetness from the stone fruit.
For the main course, I had cod on a bed of corn. There were also pickled strawberries from Dirty Girl produce, more mushrooms, and herbs. The flaky fish was held together by the nicely seared skin. And the strawberries and corn added sweet and sour flavors to the dish. One of the desserts was a poached white peach with blueberries, gooseberries, and a honeycomb cookie crunch. The peach was the perfect level of sweetness. I liked the honeycomb cookie crunch because it was crunchy and gooey at the same time, and it had a nice caramel flavor to it.
Finally, I had the plum lavender panna cotta. This was probably my favorite dish because of the creamy panna cotta with the crunchy fennel pollen meringue. I also liked the addition of the berries and the berry sauce.
Having dinner at Cassava was really enjoyable. I liked that all the dishes used fresh, seasonal, and local ingredients. Because of this, the food was flavorful and unique.